This 2026 Tiffin Byway 33FL is a Class A RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features a desert retreat, Lunar Lite interior, sleeps 5, Slideout, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2026 Tiffin Byway 33 Florida is built on a Freightliner XCS straight rail rear engine diesel chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.